So a lot of times patients, although they get insurance packages from work, but they don't really have in-depth knowledge on what's covered, what's not. So we're here to help, and we would be happy to explain what are the benefits of having a certain plan and what are the procedures that would be recommended or covered based on the plan. And also so we can make sure that the patient pays out the least amount of financial responsibility. So a lot of times for kids, the most beneficial procedure would be sealant. So this is something that a lot of insurances cover. There is an age limitation, but this is something that we can figure out before you come in. And this is something that can help patients prevent bigger problems in the future. A lot of times it is covered as a preventative service, and it's covered at 100%. So this is generally no cost to the patient. Another thing that we see a lot that a lot of patients did not even hear about is night guards. So it's something that helps with bruxism, and it's basically the grinding that you have at night. So sometimes you might wake up with a headache, sometimes you might wake up with terrible pain in your jaw, but you don't know where it's coming from. This could be aided with night guards, and it's something that a lot of times is also covered as a preventative treatment, preventative service. So we would be happy to check, and we would be happy to help our patients make sure that they get the necessary treatment that they deserve and need.